Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.